Hey guys, it's Puneet here from Gentech, and it looks like Xiaomi Mi 11 will be launching on 28th of December for the Chinese market, but it's unclear when it will hit the global market though. The live images of the Mi 11 have been leaked on Weibo, which shows 4 different colors: black, blue, white and purple. However, only blue color seems to be genuine at the moment. Xiaomi had revealed that its upcoming Mi 11 would be one of the first devices to run on the Snapdragon 888 mobile platform. Snapdragon 888 is the most powerful offering from the company so far compared to its predecessor. It's promising 25% performance improvement. Xiaomi also announced that the Mi 11 will feature LPDDR5 RAM, with memory speed reaching up to 6400 Mbps. Mi 11 will have enhanced Wi-Fi 6 connectivity. According to data, it will have 4K QAM, meaning fewer losses between the phone and the router, which means a speed of up to 3.5 Gbps. Xiaomi CEO also shared Geekbench Benchmark results of the Mi 11 on Weibo. The phone is shown to have a single core score of 1135 and a multi-core score of 3818. One of the rear shot also shows the leather look and texture at the back side of the phone, so it might help to reduce the fingerprints smartphones usually catches nowadays, especially with the glass and a plastic material. This flagship will also comes with a 108 megapixel sensor camera in the back of the phone, along with 13 megapixel ultra wide camera and a 5 megapixel macro camera. Xiaomi also previewed a video which uses the night scene photography, the computational photography using AI to overcome the physical optics limits and by creating the visual image. The preview video released by Xiaomi looks to be a great solution to the low light video recording. The leaked images suggest that Mi 11 will feature thin bezels and a curved display design. It also supports 55 watt fast charging, which is pretty damn fast. One of the image also shows that smartphone will have a stereo speaker. Another image seems to show Mi 11 with November security patch along with 12 gigs of RAM, operating on Android 11 or MIUI 12.0.9. Rumors also suggest that smartphone will have 3 different variants: the base variant with the 8 GB of RAM and 128 gigs of storage. The medium version will have 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage, and a higher top end version will have 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage. Xiaomi has teased the display glass, which is apparently going to be Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. A short video clip shows how tough the glass is, with 2 times the scratch resistance and 1.5 times drop damage in comparison to its previous generation. So guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel if you are visiting for the first time. And thanks, and see you soon.